Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw Lamborghini Aventador easy, updated. Begin by laying down simple shapes, a long, low rectangle for the body, 2 circles for wheels, and a center guideline for alignment. Keep strokes light and relaxed while you map proportions. Focus on the roofline and the sharp front nose next, refining curves into angular planes. Work slowly and check symmetry, often to keep the car looking balanced and dynamic. Start refining the basic shapes by carving in wheel arches and tightening the cabin with angular lines to suggest the Aventador's aggressive stance. Add pointed hood vents and side intakes as geometric cuts to hint at airflow and performance. Refine the windshield slope, roofline, and mirrors for correct perspective and balance. Keep visible panel edges sharp and deliberate, and erase overlapping guidelines so the design reads clean and purposeful. Now focus on details that sell the car. Draw the signature angular headlights and rear diffuser with confident, sharp lines that match earlier geometry. Trace character lines and panel seams to communicate surface changes and depth, then add smaller details like vents and door handles. Use soft cross-hatching to shade under the car and inside wheel wells for believable weight and contrast. Step back, adjust values, and emphasize highlights for a glossy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.